Hi, I'm Dimple Paul, and a few days ago I had posted something on my Instagram about the highly respected Mr. Sajid Khan. And there were a lot of supporters and there were a lot of trollers, and I'm glad this happened, so at least I can tell my story. So, what happened was in the first year of college, I had gone for this university level pageant called Miss India University, and the judges were Sajid Khan, Freddie Daruwala, and few other people. I won that contest, and the next day I get a call from Sajid Khan, and I pick up the call, and he tells me, "Hi, this is Sajid," and I was like, "Who Sajid?" So he said, "Sajid Khan, Hey Baby's director and Farah Khan's brother." He started shouting at me, and I was like, "Oh shit!" Like Sajid Khan is calling me, because back then he was a big director. Now he's nothing. So I got very happy, and he's like, "Yes, sir, tell me." So he tells me that I'm casting for his next movie, Houseful 2, and I want to do an audition with you. I got really excited, and then he tells me, "Come tomorrow at 9 o'clock at his residence in Juhu, near ISKCON temple." So I said, "Sir, रात को तो नहीं होगा. Can I come in the afternoon?" So he's like, "No, come in the morning. Afternoon, I'm busy." I was like, "Okay, morning is a good time." So I told my boyfriend to drop me there and do not leave, because this is my first meeting and I did not want anything to go wrong. So he dropped me there. I went to his residence. He was sitting in his living room. His mother was sitting there. His maids were there. So I felt everything is normal, like यहाँ पे कुछ होने नहीं वाला है. So I sat down, and then this guy, he just does like small talks about my family, my parents or whatever, and do you want to get into Bollywood? And after that he tells me, "अच्छा, एक छोटा सा audition लेते हैं, तुम वहाँ पे जाके खड़े रहो and give me any 5 expressions. So I'll tell you what expression to give." And I got really nervous because मेरा first audition था, and that too in front of Sajid Khan. So I stood there and he said, "Give me happy, sad, sexy, angry expressions." I tried my best. मुझे तभी acting नहीं आती थी, and I was also very nervous. So he started laughing at me, and I got really paranoid कि मेरा first audition है और मैंने I did not do well in that. So he told me, "अच्छा, come sit here, come sit here," and he told me to sit besides him. So I sat beside him because we were in the living room and there were people around. तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता. So he then puts his hand on my lap and he starts massaging. Then he puts it on the back and then he starts massaging. Matlab, I don't know what he was trying to do. So then he tells me, "Do you have a boyfriend, Dimple?" And I said, "Yes." So he's like, "Do you have sex with your boyfriend? Or are you still virgin?" I was like, I don't want to answer this question because it's very inappropriate. It's like a secret thing to me. I don't want to share it to you. So he's like, "Arey, don't get me wrong, because your angry and your sexy expressions were pretty much similar. तो कुछ difference नहीं था उसमें." And I was like, कि मतलब, what do I say about this? So then he's like, if you had sex with a guy, you would understand how to express like a woman. You're a child now. You need to know how to express sexy way as a woman. And I was like, what bullshit is he talking? I started getting uncomfortable there, and also he was touching me. So I just stood up, and then he's like, then he sensed what is happening there, and then he tells me, "अच्छा, madam को green tea दो." He told his maid, "Madam को green tea दो," and he told me that I'll show you my house. And then he takes me directly to his bedroom. So this place is like really dark, and I can smell a lot of cigarette smoke. And he doesn't lock the door, he just shuts the door. And suddenly मेरा कान बजना चालू हो गया. It's like I'm in a recording room. I was like, why is it so weird? So I stood there and I told him, "Can you switch on the light?" So he's like, "No, this is my personal space. I like to keep it dark." I respected that. And then he tells me, then he again starts talking dirty to me, because now we are in a closed environment. Then he tells me, in Houseful 1, Jia Khan was standing right here where you are standing. She was wearing a bikini, a leopard print bikini, and she had double D boobs and cellulite on her thighs. But I made her work out, and that's why look at her where she is, where she is right now. I'm sorry to say this. She has gone through a lot, and I don't know what these guys do to these girls. So I am no one to comment on that. But okay, so further, he tells me, okay, Dimple, now you strip. So I got really weird. I was like, here. So he said, yes, you're comfortable with bikini, right? Because houseful mein to bikini pehenna padta hai. So I told him, yes, I'm comfortable with bikini. I can send you my pictures. If I'm finalized for the audition, I will give it in your studio or at an audition space, not in your bedroom. So I don't know what happened. He was sitting on his bed. He started shouting at me. He's like, तुम्हारे जैसे छोटे छोटे शहर से लड़कियां आती है, वो लोग रोल्स के लिए कुछ भी करती है. And I'm like, can you just calm down? So then he tells me, okay, acha, just go 360 degrees for me. I went around, and mind you, I was wearing a black jeans and a chiffon top, a long top, everything very decent. Then he tells me, you're still wearing grandma underpants. And I was like, can you just look inside my outfit? And then he tells me, अरे इतना तो लो टॉप पहना है. So, and he just put his hand inside my top and he's like pulling it down. He's like, इतना तो लो टॉप पहना है, सब तो दिखा रही हो, अभी स्ट्रिप भी कर दो. And I was like, listen, I'm not going to do this. अगर proper audition हो रहा है आपके स्टूडियो में या audition space में हो रहा है, then only I'm going to do this. He just came at me and he just pulled the left side of my top and like completely down. And I was like, this is it. I don't want to get into this. I just pulled my top back and I told him, listen, I don't want to get into Bollywood, especially if it's a movie by you. And I just went away from there. I literally ran away from there. I sat in my boyfriend's car and obviously I did not tell much to him. I just told him that he's a pervert and I started crying. And my boyfriend did not ask me any question at that time. And later he calls me around 30 to 40 times, so I did not bother to pick it up because I did not have to do anything with him. And then he messages me in the night because I was ignoring his calls. He messages me saying that, hey Dimple, you were this sexy, dusky beauty I believed in, that you could have been in my next Houseful movie. But about our meeting, if you tell that to any media person, your career has just started and your career has just ended. And I was just taken aback with that message, and also I felt that I did not want to work with such a guy. And mind you, people have been asking me, why after 10 years? Why am I speaking out after 10 years? Just because I was sitting there, I was just reevaluating my life during this lockdown. I realized when I started my career with the same pageant and all of these things happened with me, I did not go to any big banners for next 3 to 4 years thinking that सब ऐसे ही होते हैं यार, मतलब ये बड़े लोग सब ऐसे ही होते हैं. That's why I did not go. I wasted so many years of my life. I went through that stress. So how could I speak about it? And also my mother was orthodox. She never wanted me to get into this industry. अगर मैं जाके मेरी मॉम को बोलूँ कि मेरा फर्स्ट एनकाउंटर वाज विद दिस pervert, so she would have never let me get into Bollywood. So I was saving myself at that time, and I'm sorry that I think I did something wrong. I did not speak up at that time, but now my mother passed away last year. My father is no more. I don't think I'm scared of anything. I just wanted to speak out my story because a lot of people want to get into Bollywood. They should know some perverts like this exist here. And also a lot of people, like the trollers, have been telling me कि proof क्या है, आप FIR करो, proof क्या है. Tell me one thing, if somebody is molested, especially at an audition at somebody's house, first of all, घर पे कभी audition होना नहीं चाहिए. I did not have any guidance back then. I went, that was my bad. अगर कोई लड़की जा रही है ऑडिशन के लिए, वो स्टिंग ऑपरेशन कर रही है, इज शी कैरिंग हर कैमरा अराउंड विथ हर? नो. सो प्रूफ कहाँ से आएगा? यू टेल मी व्हाट काइंड ऑफ प्रूफ कैन आई गिव? And also about FIR, I read about Me Too movement. I saw many girls coming out and speaking about this matter and also lodging an FIR. He just got a 1-year ban from the industry. That's it. If you molest so many girls, that's what you get. And also, finally, I really thought that I was the victim 10 years back when this happened to me, and I never heard other people's story. I feel Sajid Khan is the victim because he's mentally sick. He's a sex addict. He needs a psychiatrist. He needs to go to a mental asylum. Usko help nahi mil raha hai. I think Farah Khan should help him, help his brother out because he's completely sick in his head. Do that. Sajid Khan, you're the victim. We girls are not. And I don't know which organization to speak to, but 1-year ban is not enough. He should be punished for this. Movies तो उसको करनी ही नहीं चाहिए because his slapstick comedies are bullshit. I don't think anybody watches it anymore. So he should be punished. And I think you guys should start speaking up because they are messaging me on Instagram, these girls, and I totally understand. You come from a background where your parents, the society, and everything matters to you, but it's important to speak up, right? We have to clean up these people. I'm not saying that everyone is like this because I've never faced anything else apart from that, but that was the start of my career, and it actually destroyed 3-4 years of my life because of this. So I think he should be punished, and I just need help. Like, I don't know how to do this. Like, let's get this pervert down. That's it. Thank you so much.